Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gems Crush. Today I am going to share an exciting video that will provide you a lot of profit. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So now we go toward our project. Our project name is Digital Gold Mine. So here you can watch the project name has been present here. Here you can watch the Digital Gold Mine project is present. The real gold in the digital world. Here you can watch the aim to be one of the most trusted gold-backed coin and digital backing services in the crypto world market. Here you can watch everyone can invest and store their wealth with us. Here you can watch the DGM last round pre-sale from 2022 June 2022. Here you can watch the July 2022 before IEO 25 July. Here you can watch the days has been present 7 hours 16 3 minutes and 17 seconds has been left for pre-sale. Here you can watch their white paper and join pre-sale. When you click on white paper, you will see the white paper about them. All the information about them will be provided to you here. Here you can watch the platform built for the sustainable of cryptocurrency. Here you can watch the gold mine. The white paper is a draft for digital mine community and only to be circulated internally. The final version will be reviewed by J.T. Wrong. So you can watch here. The all information about them will be provided to you here. You can read it carefully. All the information about their product and their price prediction and token distribution will be given to you here. Here you can watch their token distribution is also present, so that you can get more information about them. Here you can watch that whole information about them has been provided to you here. Liquidity pool, company reverse. So you can watch here the private sale, public sale. Here is given their public sale 60%, private sale 20%, company reserves 10%, and liquidity pool is 10%. Here you can watch the whole information about them will be provided to you here. Here will be given their roadmap, pre-sale. During pre-sale, all information about them will be provided to you here. You will get the all information about them. So here you can watch the whole information about them has been provided to you. Now we go toward our main project. Now you can watch here the all information about them that will be provided to you in this video. You can watch their video so that you
If
can
you are
get
looking
more
for most
information
reliable
about them. And here you can watch the gold. Physical gold is present here. There is no other assets as closely associated with the holding, exchange and preservation of value than gold. For thousands of the years, people have relied on gold as a secure, stable and safe store of their wealth. Here you can watch the physical gold carriers no counterparty risk, which makes it an ideal vehicle, and all information about them will be provided to you in this video. So here you can watch and read it carefully. All the information about them has been provided to you here. You can watch our community is present, effective and dynamic platform, credible profitability, coin efficiency, long-term customer relationship. Here you can watch the digital mine. Token name is present here, Digital Gold Mine. Maximum supply is present here. You can watch their maximum supply. Token minting is ECO20. Here you can watch the token initial offer is also present. All information about them has been provided to you. Here you can watch their our blogs are present here. Top stories is also present here. It is given their team, so you can watch here. The stories will be given to you in their videos. You can play their videos so that you can get more information about them. All the information about them will be provided to you here. You can watch the token distribution information has been provided to you here. Public sale is 16%. All the information about them has been already provided to you. Private sale is 20%. Company reserves are 10%, and liquidity pool is 10%. Here it was a token distribution and roadmap is also present. You can watch here the signed contract with one of the biggest gold mine in Zambia. Here you can watch the start first mine, launch ECO chain, launch GMC and investment coin, launch InfoX, launch Ease coin, a generic coin. Here you can watch the whole information about them has been provided to you here. You can read it carefully, and all information has been provided about their products and their information. Here you can watch the creative team and all information about the Explorable team. Here you can join them for getting more information about them. You can contact them for getting more information about their products and pre-sale. Join pre-sale, you can join their pre-sale DGM digital mining, and here you can watch the this is a last chance to buy DGM before list on exchange. Following coin under price of 1 USDT. Agency will welcome only a big volume of from the following procedure. Here you can watch the view detailed pre-sale information. Here you can enter your name, your referral link. Here you can enter the BUSD or USDT that you want to make contact. Here you can enter the amount, and here you can enter your MetaMask wallet address so that you can make your transaction successful. Here you can enter your email and click on the join pre-sale. When you click on join pre-sale, you will be joined as a pre-sale member, and your amount will be added and deducted from your MetaMask as you will enter here. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can join this network for getting more profit. Their social media platform is also present. You can join them on Telegram. Here is given their WhatsApp contact and Telegram contact. Also you can join them for getting more information about them. It is a great way of earning in low time. So you can join this network, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.